Welcome to my channel, and today I just want to share with you a tool, one of the tools that you will need. I have to remove this. Okay, there is this subscribe notification icon that websites would make use of if they want to make sure that their visitors return on the upload of new content. Okay, probably you have a blog like this formsolutions.com. I literally just make use of this site for blog content and of course affiliate marketing and what have you. So you can always visit the website. You see details of what I do, and so there is a tool, okay, that gives audience. If you pick, let me start on incognito formsolutions.com. So once you set up to visit a website, you will see some websites will just pop up a notification that okay, you should subscribe, and you are going to just allow the account to be this notification, something like this. So you click on allow, and it's going to save the record of the website that somebody actually allowed for subsequent news updates, blog content, anything you upload in the future. This URL, this IP address, okay, will be receiving, that web browser will be receiving notification that a new information has been updated, and you should go visit it out or check it out. So now the essence is that somebody visits your website for the first time, and you have grabbed their attention, their permission to always give you more information subsequently. So how do you set this up? And of course, this is a free guide, and I wish and I hope that you guys will subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a part of my community. I'm just growing my YouTube channel. I build websites and I run my digital marketing services, whereby I show guides. I show guides how things can be done. You can help yourself out, and there are a lot of opportunities out there. We can work together on profitable business. So how do you get started? Let us just go. So there are two aspects of this that you have to do. The first is, if you are using WordPress solution, you have to install a plugin at your own within your website. So you have to install a plugin within your website. The second thing is that you have to go to OneSignal website to create an account. Okay, so you are going to create an account, and you are going to set the integration. You are going to set the integration by just using the create an ID and whatever. So let me just walk you straight. So I'm not going to go through everything as I have actually done it, but I'm going to walk you through pretty much the best and the largest aspect of it, so that you can just get yourself like I said, I'm just growing this site, and I really something, these notifications like you see, like that can come from YouTube. These are web push notifications that you just be receiving. So the first thing, you want to go to your plugins and you want to click on add new. Okay, and you want to search here for OneSignal. Okay, so you do that, and if you search for the application you want to install, you see most application comes with install. So this is already installed and is active, so you want to click install and activate. Now please note, some systems, some solutions may not be compatible, some WordPress solutions may not be compatible with, so you should make sure that you always confirm the compatibility with your WordPress. Anyone you see uncompatible, and I advise you not untested with your version, please still don't do that. Don't go for that. Go for the one that is compatible with your WordPress version. So once you do that, you activate this, and you will be able to have the plugin OneSignal push. So the first job is almost completed. So the first task is that we have installed this plugin, we've activated the plugin. Now we will need to click on this plugin to set up the notification. There are information you want to set up. You want to set up your IP app ID. I'm using my video I'm using my video to cover this. So you are going to, I'm not blurring it, I'm just covering it. So you are going to install your app ID. So you are going to get that from OneSignal push, and you are going to install the set up the password. So how do you do that? You come to OneSignal, OneSignal.com. It's, you just need to look for the I'm going to put the link to the URL in my description. So you just click on sign up. Like, this is another notification is very important because it keeps you updated, okay, and it keeps your prospects, your audience also active. So you want to sign up, and if you sign up, I'm not going to sign up, I'm going to log in. So if you sign up, you just need to fill an email address, and you are going to verify the email address, okay, and that is how you actually stay active. And you can log in or sign up with some of this information like your Google and what have you. So the first thing is to create a new app, okay, which is important. That is the first thing you want to do. That is the only thing you should do. So let us click on create a new app. I'm not going to go through the whole scenario on how that can be done, Mojeed Fetuga, okay, and you want to click on push notification for Mojeed Fetuga, and you want to click on configure your platform. Now, if you notice, I'm using Mojeed Fetuga for this new app because I've actually created form solutions already, so I don't want it to have any issue. So I click on WordPress plugin, okay. So you can either take a typical website, if you don't know, if you are not sure if it's a WordPress build, you can also set a request for custom code if you are into a bit, if you have a knowledge of coding a bit. So they are going to give you a JavaScript code that you are going to put within the header tag of your website. So, but in my own case, I'm using a WordPress plugin. So click on WordPress, click here, and it says your website is Mojeed Fetuga. That is my name, and actually I have a website, http Mojeed. I think this is not HTTP. Okay, this, yeah, okay, MojeedFetuga.com. Okay, good. That is correct. So I auto request subscribe. Okay, yes, it's fully dead. I click save. Now what I have just done here is creating a configuration, and I'm not going to use this, so I wouldn't mind using this. So I'm going to delete it immediately after I finish this. So you'll see the app ID here, and you see the API key. So you just need to copy this and copy this, and you start using. Okay, you copy this and copy that, and you will come to your WordPress, and you will enter those two information here, the app ID. You enter into this app ID, you enter the API key, rest key here, and once you do that, you are going to save this, and that is just it. So anytime anybody goes to your website and they click on your website, they are going to see this notification, and I'm going to do another video on this too, where you can, there are so many integrations you can use on your website. So if you have found some values, okay, from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and I say thank you. So I say thank you, and God bless, all the best. Okay.